When the British luxury car maker Bentley announced the 2026 version of their flagship drop-top Grand Tourer, the Continental GTC Speed, they made it clear, opulence and fury can coexist. Let's dive into what makes this car compelling, how it's engineered, and what it means in the wider context of luxury performance. 2026 GTC Speed evolves Bentley's signature silhouette with cleaner lines and amplified dynamism. A wider grille, upgraded matrix LED headlights, and subtly vented fenders hint at the powerhouse beneath. The folding roof remains a marvel of engineering: soft top precision, whisper-quiet operation, and a silhouette that remains elegant whether roofed or open. Interior: step inside and you enter a sanctuary of leather, wood, and metal that whispers of craft. The rear seating is a true 2+ arrangement, but the front seats offer a cockpit feel that embraces the driver. Hand-stitched quilting, contrast piping, and mahogany or ebony veneer options create a bespoke ambience. Temperature-controlled, massage-enabled seats with an advanced quiet cabin acoustic system ensure you arrive relaxed, regardless of the distance traveled. Why this matters: Bentley is making a statement that luxury grand touring doesn't need to sacrifice ecological awareness or electrified power, while still delivering thrilling performance. The hybrid setup also helps deliver massive torque very early, giving the GTC Speed a punchy launch and effortless tractability. Engineering and driving dynamics: Bentley has equipped the GTC Speed with advanced chassis systems. Bentley Dynamic Ride, a 48-volt active roll control system that helps reduce body roll and improve stability in cornering. Twin-valve dampers, which adjust suspension behavior depending on drive mode, comfort versus sport, to balance ride quality and dynamic sharpness. All-wheel steering and electronic limited-slip differential, ELSD, ensuring agile handling and good tractability despite the car's size and performance. Dimensions: overall length 4894 mm, width, across mirrors, 2187 mm, height 1392 mm, wheelbase 2848 mm. Efficiency: despite its performance credentials, the hybrid nature allows for somewhat more reasonable fuel consumption/emissions figures in certain jurisdictions. For example, combined WLTP cycle in EU spec 4.3 L/100 km, when regulated, and CO2 at 98 g/km. Why this matters: a luxury convertible that can both serenely cruise on a Sunday morning and carve through sweeping bends at high speed needs more than raw power. Bentley is showing that the GTC Speed is engineered for dual personality, poise and performance. The cabin features premium hides, open-pore veneers, and precision metalwork. The color palettes range from understated to audacious, with options like gunmetal, beluga, and cascade blue to suit a discerning buyer's personality. Style, luxury and convertible appeal. Being the GTC version means this is the convertible of the Continental line, meaning a fold-down roof, with operation up to a certain speed, and the open-air experience. Inside, expect hand-finished materials, leather, veneers, metal trims, high customization. Bentley is synonymous with bespoke. Though detailed interior specs are less emphasized in the public brochures, the lineage strongly suggests ultra-luxury. Exterior subtle updates: even if the silhouette remains recognizable, Bentley uses distinctive elements, badging, wool designs, signature lighting, to mark the Speed variant. The convertible roof especially adds drama and luxury lifestyle appeal. Why this matters: the GTC Speed is not just about speed, it's about delivering a lavish experience in the open air. For buyers in markets like Indonesia, Batam region included, who value luxury, prestige, and statement-making, this kind of convertible speaks volumes. The 2026 GTC Speed arrives at a time when luxury automakers are balancing electrification, regulatory pressure, and performance heritage. Bentley has stepped into hybrid territory while preserving its performance DNA. For owners, it means access to a rarefied product, a Grand Tourer convertible with hyper-luxury, high performance, and a rich brand heritage. In luxury markets like Indonesia, Such vehicles cater to high-net-worth individuals seeking exclusivity, craftsmanship and emotional impact, not just performance numbers. Cost of ownership will be significant. Purchase price, typically in the high luxury segment. Maintenance, tires, fuel, despite hybrid assistance, insurance, etc. For everyday use in urban/traffic conditions, like in Batam/Riau/Jakarta region, the full performance may rarely be exploited, but the driving experience in low-speed traffic might still benefit from the hybrid's smoothness and quiet. Practicality. As with many Grand Tourers, rear seat space may be less important than front comfort. Convertible top may slightly reduce boot space. Weight will be high, which affects agility compared to lighter sports cars. Road/traffic infrastructure. To truly enjoy the dynamics, you need good roads and space. In dense urban traffic or poor roads, some of the technology may go underutilized. The 2026 Bentley Continental GTC Speed is a grand statement, an open-top luxury car that refuses to compromise on performance or refinement. It blends a potent hybrid powertrain, advanced chassis tech, and unparalleled luxury in a convertible package. For someone seeking to make an impression, whether arriving at events, cruising scenic roads, or pampering passengers, it offers an extraordinary proposition.